Hi friends, I am Anand Bed, your tech guide at Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the procedure to rip apart and disassemble the Dell Inspiron 3579, which is popularly known the G3 gaming series laptop. Now we have this laptop hands-on with us, and if your laptop is something that looks like this once you open it up, and the LED bezel is something like this, and the base is something that looks like this, then you can apply this particular procedure. So let's do it. Start from the hinges screw. These two screws will not come off. And that's it. It's as simple as this. Dell has made it absolutely easy for us to access the base of the Dell Inspiron G3. This is the gaming series laptop. Now, this is the way the motherboard looks and the entire fitment looks. So we will start by removing the battery, as we always do. There is this covering which you need to remove. The battery part type is 33YDH. The battery wattage is 56 watt hours and 15.2 volts and 3500 mAh. Now coming to the m.2 SSD area, this one screw you need to remove. If you want to upgrade or put an SSD, all these Inspiron G3s by default come with an SSD. So if you want to remove and put nvme SSD, or you want to put a 512GB or 1 terabyte nvme SSD, this is the way to go. You can put up to 1 terabyte m.2 SSD on this particular Inspiron G3. Just take another SSD like this and insert it back. Coming to the RAM bay area, there are two RAM bays that Dell provides. 16 plus 16, 32GB is the total upgradability. Just use your two thumb fingers very gently and remove the RAM. The RAM that is utilized on this model is a 8GB DDR4 2666 volt MHz DDR4 low voltage memory. It might be a Core i5 or a Core i7. All the laptops of Dell Inspiron G3 will require a 2666 MHz DDR4 low voltage memory. The total upgradability is 16 plus 16, that is up to 32GB. Coming to the hard drive is connected to the motherboard via this little connector. Now this basically is a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. You can replace it with another SSD or a hard drive. You can upgrade up to 2 terabyte on this particular laptop. Now you need to remove the strip connector very delicately using your two thumb fingers like this. Remove the stickering before you remove it. Just remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to remove the frame, the cage that is holding onto the hard drive. And you can take another hard drive and put it back like this. Now this is where the CMOS cell is, so you just need to use a tweezer like this, and in a scenario you're watching this video 4-5 years after you have bought the laptop and your laptop is showing a time and date error, you need to replace this CMOS cell. It's a CR2032 CMOS cell. Just take another CMOS cell like this and insert it back like this. This is the Wi-Fi chip. There are two antennas that this chip has to be connected to. Just remove this one screw and the frame holder will come off. And you can remove this Wi-Fi chip and replace another Wi-Fi chip. So in another video, we'll show you how to basically rip apart the touchpad and upgrade and replace the keyboard of this particular laptop, and also remove the motherboard in the due process. Wait for that video. These two screws will not come off. So once you're through with the upgrade process, just power it on and check the display is there or not. Once the display is there, it means that the upgrade is successful, as it is now, and you can go ahead and use your laptop. So in this video, we have shown you how to very easily remove the base of the Dell Inspiron G3 gaming series of laptops, which is the 3579 also. And in this process, we have shown you how to basically remove your battery and replace it with a new battery. Remove the hard drive, put a SSD or a higher storage hard drive. Remove the existing SSD and put a higher storage SSD. We've also shown you how to upgrade the RAM from an existing 8GB or 16GB to up to 32GB. We've also shown you the Wi-Fi chip, the CMOS cell in case your laptop date and time is not showing right after 4-5 years of usage. Basically, Dell has made it very simple and straightforward for the upgrade process of the Dell Inspiron G3. Hope you liked the video, guys. Do let us know suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. Thank you so much.